Hey, this is Jennifer at GreenEyes811 on Twitter. This is my Flipped Bird grab bag. It's the small $50 one. It's at flippedbird.com. They have reversible bags. They have some reversible hats. I think they used to. I didn't see none on their website anymore, but they also sell hair ties and headbands. This is what it came in. Flat rate envelope. Shipping was very, very fast. This is what was in the bag. I've got 2 temporary tattoos, little cards, and they also sent a Jolly Rancher. Let's see, these here are some hair ties that they sent. Here's some more hair ties. And here is a reversible headband. You flip it over and it's got this pattern on it. Flip and be happy. This is something else they sent. I believe this is a clutch purse. It's also reversible. I flipped it to where all this was on the outside. See, there's a pocket down in there. There's a pocket on the outside too. There's a magnet in this part and right here, so that helps it stay closed. See? This here, I don't know whether it's just the color is not very, eye-catching or what, but it was $30. And this is a scarf, a reversible scarf. See, there's this on the outside, and there's this. You can switch it around. This goes over your head. And the last thing that was in the bag is this original tote purse. It's their original bag. They started out making this size. There's no magnets, but here's the inside of it. It's got owls. And they wrote on here, there's stains on the owl side of it. That's the reason why it's $30, and that's the reason why it's in the grab bag. Thank you for watching my video. I'm gonna do a review on the hair ties and the bags and stuff. So stay tuned. Rate and subscribe if you like at GreenEyes811 on Twitter. Thank you.